All right, I thought I'd show you a different way of making a pizza if you haven't ever tried one of these. We basically use these little street taco. Um, they're just little street taco tortillas, flour tortillas, and my wife actually puts these in the oven first to kind of get them a little crisp, and then you just decorate it the way you want. And we used Jimmy Dean sage sausage and Roma tomatoes and bell peppers, and we put them in the toaster oven. This little toaster oven right here. So, uh, anyways, we'll show you how they look when they come out. Put some mozzarella cheese on it, and we use the Newman's Own Socceroni. You can use whatever you like. I mean, it would work with Pizza Quick. It would work with Alfredo sauce. It would work with whatever you like. But this is the way she actually makes our pizzas most of the time. And anyways, back in a moment. And here they go. So they'll be done in a couple minutes. And the big reveal. So there you go. They're real pretty. They're easy to make, and it took on this particular one we did it at 380 for about uh, I guess it was probably mostly preheated, but about 3 minutes, and they come out looking good. We got to let them cool, but they have a thin and crispy top texture. So, anyways, there's you an idea for just making some pizzas at home. There's a different way. There's 1,000 different ways to do this, but we enjoy this way, and thought I might share it with you. Thank you very much. I just thought I'd demonstrate the crunch. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's kind of like a little thin and crispy pizza. Very delicious, very low cost, and there's no wrong or right way to do this. We got sausage. You could put pepperoni on it. You could just leave it cheese. That's a big Roma tomato and bell pepper, but um, they're very inexpensive and just a good way of maybe trying to, make pizza at low cost. So there you go. Sorry. I got pizza sauce on my shirt. So